To effectively tackle substance abuse, National Drug Law Enforcement Agency scope must be broadened to include a health-centered approach. This is a submission of representative of Lagos State Ministry of Youth and Social Development at a program on drug abuse organized in collaboration with Youth Rise Nigeria. Senior correspondent Ivy Kano has more.
Reports by the United Nations Office on Drug and Crime in Nigeria indicates that 14.3 million people aged between 15 and 64 abuse drugs. At this one-day stakeholders dialogue on substance abuse with the theme Beyond the Surface, responding to substance use among young people, speakers say sustained efforts should be channeled to addressing drug abuse, as drug abuse is not a moral issue. Guest speaker advised parents and guardians on physical signs to look out for in young people.
Your son has a room to himself. Have a spare key to his room. Go behind him, open the door. You don't know what you are looking for, but when you see what you are looking for, you will know it. What you're actually looking for is what is called paraphernalia of drug use. So when you see matches, lighter, needle and syringe in his room, not once, not twice.
The goal of establishing NDA established a sole nature of evidence, not producers. That law needs to be expanded to include users.
The organizers and other panelists spoke on the importance of the discussion.
We have to accept the fact that if they abuse drugs, it is first an individual thing before it becomes a societal problem. So drug abuse starts with the individual, and we need to talk to the individual to be able to identify the dangers that is associated with that.
The building caught fire in the kitchen. We've gotten to the roof right now. That's how bad it is. We've never seen it as a medical problem. It's only when they become very psychotic, very aggressive before they come to us. So I think we see maybe 0.1% in fact. And so if you are dealing with the numbers we are dealing with and you multiply that by a factor of 100, then we have a serious problem.
To let them know that we have a drop-in center in Lagos State now, and our center accommodates people, marginalized youths, vulnerable people, victims of gender-based violence, and all that.
Youth Rise Nigeria says they intend to take this dialogue to other states across the nation. Ivy Kano, TVC News, Lagos.